Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Can you believe, guys, I lived in Gangtok for straight 6 years and never knew about this hidden place. So today I am exploring this plant conservatory I have never been to. Let's go with me. The first thing I notice here is that everything is preserved in its natural form. No statues, no artificial decorations, just greenery everywhere. It feels like stepping into the peaceful forest right in the city. Every plant is carefully protected, but still left to grow in the natural way. Walking through the conservatory feels like calming, refreshing, and so pure. And just when I least expected, I came across a beautiful waterfall hidden inside the conservatory. Honestly, I didn't expect it. Like, this was the best nature surprise gift for me. This visit reminded me that even after years in a place, there are always hidden treasures to be discovered. If you ever visit Gangtok, don't miss the plant conservatory. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more journeys in the nature hidden gems. See you in the next vlog.